Good morning, students. Yes, students, as you know, before exams, we're doing unit 16 and the topic is money. And exercise 66 is already complete. So in this lecture, students, first we'll touch the main points of this unit, then we will start the next exercise. Okay, so I'm starting from first. Our topic is money. Indian currency names is rupees and paise, and in 1 rupees, so this is a symbol of rupees. Yes, friends, in 1 rupees we have 100 paise. In 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Next is exercise 66. In exercise 66 we discuss how we can convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. So we'll consider 1 or 2 examples of each type. Your first question is exercise 66. We'll discuss only 3 or 4 questions of this exercise because exercise 66 is already discussed. So exercise 66, your first question is convert the amount into paise. Your first example is rupees 856. Now convert this amount into paise. Yes, friends. This is rupees 8 and 56. To convert this amount into paise, first we will convert 8 rupees into paise. Then we will add 56 as it is. Clear, students? So how we can convert 8 multiply by 100, because in 1 rupees we have 100 paise. Then add 56 as it is because this amount is already in paise. Clear, students? Now 8 multiplied by 100 is 800 plus 56. Now add, then we get 856 paise. So in rupees 8 and 56 paise, we have 856 paise. Clear, students? Next is convert 123 rupees and 5 paise into paise. Second example is convert rupees 123 and 5 paise into paise. Same, students, first convert 123 rupees into paise, then add 5 paise as it is. 123 multiply by 100, then add 5. Now by multiplying we get 12,300 plus 5. Now we have 12,305. So by this we can convert rupees into paise. Clear, students? Now, how we can convert paise into rupees? Second type is how we can convert paise into rupees. So let us consider one example. And here we have 8,365 paise. Now convert this amount into rupees. Yes, students, as you know, in 1 rupees we have 100 paise. When we convert paise into rupees, we will divide by 100. Simple method is when we convert rupees into paise, rupees into paise, we will multiply by 100. And when we convert paise into rupees, we will divide by 100. So divide 8,365 divide by 100. Now this is a numerator and this is denominator. In denominator we have 2 zeros. So put decimal point after two digits from right hand side. 5, 6. Now put here point. 3, 8. Then symbol. So in 8,365 paise, we have rupees 83 and 65.65. It means 83 rupees and 65 paise. Yes, friends. The second method, how we can convert paise into rupees, we'll divide 8,365 divide by 100. First, we'll divide by 800. Then 3, 6. Next digit is 5. Now divide by 3, 300. Remainder is 65. So the quotient we get is rupees and remainder is in the form of paise. You can solve these type of question with the two methods. This is a shortcut method. This is a long division method. So we get rupees 83 and 65 paise. Clear, students? So students, this is exercise 66. Second example, we'll consider 875 paise. Now convert 875 paise into rupees. 875 paise into rupees. Simple divide by 100. 875 divide by 100. Then this is a numerator and this part is a denominator. In denominator, we have 20. So put decimal after two digits from right hand side. 1, 2. Then put here point. So our answer is rupees 8 and 75 paise. Rupees 8 and 75 paise. Clear, students? So this is exercise 66. The solution of exercise 66 is already sent in group by with PDF. So now I'm starting exercise 67. Yes, students, exercise 67. In exercise 67, we discuss how we can add or subtract the amount. So now exercise 67. Your first question is add rupees 54 and 65 paise, rupees 54 and 65 paise, and rupees 27 and 85 paise. Yes, friends, now add this amount. To add the amount, first we'll arrange this amount in proper columns like this. Rupees 54 and 65 paise and rupees 27 and 85 paise. Now add yes, students, start from 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So put here 0 and 1. Carry. Next is 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15. So write here 5 and 1. Carry. Next is 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 12. So write here 2 and 1 value. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer is rupees 82 and 50 paise. Clear, students? Next is second question. Exercise 67, second question. Now our statement is add rupees 73 and 84 paise. Rupees 73 and 84 paise. Next second is rupees 39 and 76 paise. Now arrange this amount as in columns, then add. First is 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write here 0. And 1, 10. Next is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Right here 6 and 1. Carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 plus 9, 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. So write here 3 and 1. Carry. Next is 7 plus 1, 8. 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So students, our answer is rupees 113 and 60 paise. In second question, our answer is rupees 113 and 60. This first and second question of exercise 67. Clear, students? Next is third question. Third question of exercise 67. Your first third question. Now add 61 rupees and 83 paise. Rupees 61 and 83 paise. Second, rupees 38. Rupees 38 and 67. And then rupees 8. We write 8 as 0, 8. Rupees 8 and 95. Yes, students, arrange these three amounts in proper columns, then add. Now, start. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So write here 5 and 1. 10. 3 plus 7, 10, and 10 plus 5, 15. So write here 5 and 1 carry. Yes, friends. Next is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 and 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 9, 24. So write here 4 and 2 carry. Next is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 8, 11. 3 plus 8, 11. And 11 plus 8 is 19. So write here 9 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So our answer is rupees 109 and 45. Rupees 109 and 45. Clear, students? Now we'll discuss few questions of subtraction. Next question we'll discuss is question number 6. Now subtract. Rupees 97 and 68 paise. Rupees 97 and 68 paise from rupees 114 and 36. Now subtract 97 rupees and 68 paise from 114 rupees and 36 paise. Yes, friends. Same. First, we'll arrange this amount in columns. Rupees 114 and 36 paise. Second amount is rupees 97. Yes, friends, will write rupees 97 as 097. Rupees 97 and 68. Now subtract. Now, yes, friends, first 6 minus 8. 8 is greater than 6, so we can't subtract 8 from 6. So we will borrow 10 points from here. We'll borrow 10 points here. So 6 convert into 16. And here we have 2. Now, students, 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Then we have 2. Now again borrow 10 points. Here we have 12. 3. Now students, 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Next is 3 minus 7. We can't subtract 7 from 3. Again, we'll borrow 10 points and 3 convert into 13. Here we have 0. Now 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, 6. 0 minus 9. Again, borrow 10 points. We have 10. 0. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. So students, Your answer is rupees 16 and 68 paise. Rupees 16 and 68 paise. Clear, students? Next is question number 7th. Now subtract rupees 174 and 54 paise from rupees 260 paise. Rupees 174 and 54 paise from rupees 206. Now students, again arrange this amount in columns. Rupees 200 and 60 paise. Now subtract rupees 174 and 54. First, 0 minus 4. We can't subtract, so we'll borrow 10 points. 0 convert into 10, and here we have 5. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Second, 5 minus 5 is 0. Then point. Again, 0 minus 4. We can't subtract. Borrow 10 points and 0 convert into 10. Here we have 9. 1. Now 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So students, now our answer is rupees 26 and 6 paise. Rupees 26 and 6 paise. Clear, students? So now students, we will discuss few word problems related with money. This is question number 10. Yes, friends, your 10th question is, Rohan bought a book for rupees 126 and 50 paise, a notebook for rupees 35 and 80 paise, a geometry box for rupees 28 and 65 paise, and a pencil sharpener for rupees 6 and 5 paise. Now, what is the total amount paid by Rohan? Yes, friends, in a stationery shop, Rohan bought a book, a notebook, a geometry box, and a sharpener. And the amount, cost of each object is given. So find the total amount paid by Rohan. Yes, friends, to find the total amount paid by Rohan to the shopkeeper, we will add these all amounts. We will add rupees 126 and 55 paise plus rupees 35 and 80 paise, then rupees 28 and 65 paise, and rupees 6 and 5 paise. We will add all these four amounts and find the total amount paid by Rohan. First we'll write Cost of a book. Cost of a book is rupees 126 and 50 paise. Now, cost of a notebook. Cost of notebook, rupees 35. Rupees 35. Write rupees 35 as 035. Rupees 35 and 80 paise. And geometry box, cost of geometry box is rupees 28, right? 0 to 8. Rupees 28 and 65 paise. And the cost of sharpener. Sharpener, rupees 6. We write 6 as 006. Rupees 6 and 5. Now find the total amount paid by Rohan. Yes, students, to find the total amount paid by Rohan, we will add and find the total amount. Now here write total amount. First, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So write here 0 and 1. Next is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 200. So write here 0 and 2. Next is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. And 21 plus 6 is 27. So write here 7 and 1 carry. Next is 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Sorry, here we have 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And here we have 1. So students, total amount paid by Rohan is rupees 197. Total amount is rupees 197. So students, this is 10th question of exercise 67. So students, today your homework is solve question 1 to 10. Solve questions 1 to 10 of exercise 67 in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.